Over 70% of roadside breakdowns start with small accessory failures, and one of the biggest culprits is a worn drive belt tensioner. This part keeps the serpentine belt tight, driving your alternator, power steering, and AC. When it weakens, performance drops fast. Here are 7 ranked symptoms of a bad tensioner and how to fix each before it strands you. Number 1. Loud squealing noise. A bad belt tensioner often starts with a loud squeal under the hood. The spring inside the tensioner loses its strength, or the pulley bearing wears out. When this happens, the belt slips across the pulleys instead of gripping them. The result is a sharp, high-pitched screech, especially when starting the car or accelerating. This happens because the belt friction increases when cold or under load. Effect: the slipping belt overheats and produces that squeal you hear every morning. Fix: replace the tensioner as soon as possible. If the serpentine belt looks shiny, cracked, or glazed, install a new one as well. Running a loose belt for long can cause it to shred or snap, taking other systems down with it. Number 2. Visible belt wear or cracks. A failing tensioner causes misalignment, making the belt rub unevenly against pulleys. Over time, this wears the belt prematurely. Effect: you'll spot cracks, frayed edges, or shiny glazed streaks on the belt. Sometimes you may even hear a faint fluttering sound at idle. These marks mean the belt is slipping or twisting due to uneven pressure. Ignoring it risks the belt snapping at high speed, a common cause of roadside breakdowns. Fix: replace both the tensioner and belt together. This ensures proper alignment and tension, giving your new belt a longer, safer life. Number 3. Burning rubber smell. It is a serious sign. When the tensioner fails, the belt can slip so much that friction builds extreme heat. Effect: you'll smell a sharp, burnt rubber scent and sometimes see light smoke near the front of the engine. That smell means the belt is literally cooking against the metal pulleys. Continued driving can melt or glaze the belt, weakening its fibers. Fix: pull over immediately and inspect the belt. Replace the tensioner before continuing to drive. Always install a new belt after overheating. Heat damage drastically shortens its lifespan. Number 4. Battery light or dimming headlights. When the tensioner weakens, the alternator doesn't spin at full speed. It's belt-driven, so any slippage affects power output. Effect: you may notice the battery warning light flicker on, headlights dimming when idling, or slow power window operation. The alternator undercharges the battery, leaving it weak over time. Fix: replace the tensioner to restore belt tension and proper alternator speed. Afterward, check the charging voltage. It should read 13.8 to 14.4 volts at idle. Recharge or replace the battery if it's been drained by undercharging. Number 5. Stiff steering or weak AC. If your steering suddenly feels heavy or the AC isn't cooling, a failing tensioner may be the cause. Cause: the belt no longer grips the power steering pump or AC compressor pulleys firmly. Effect: steering becomes difficult, especially at low speeds, and the AC blows warm air or works intermittently. The belt simply can't transfer enough power to these components. Fix: replace both the tensioner and belt. Afterward, verify pulley alignment. If a tensioner sits even slightly crooked, it can destroy a new belt quickly. Number 6. Engine overheating. On many vehicles, the water pump runs off the serpentine belt. If the tensioner fails, coolant circulation stops. Effect: the engine temperature climbs fast and you might see the gauge hit red or steam under the hood. Without proper coolant flow, heat builds up quickly, risking head gasket or cylinder damage. Fix: shut off the engine immediately. Once it cools, inspect the belt and tensioner. Replace both if needed, refill coolant, and make sure the water pump spins freely. Don't drive again until the cooling system is restored. Overheating can destroy the engine in minutes. Number 7. Complete belt failure. This is the final and most dangerous stage. A seized or broken tensioner can cause the belt to jump off or snap completely. Effect: all belt-driven systems stop. The alternator quits charging, the steering locks up, and the engine may overheat in minutes. You'll see multiple warning lights all at once. The car may stall soon after since no electrical charge or cooling is left. Fix: replace the drive belt tensioner and serpentine belt as a set. Never reuse a damaged or old belt. After replacement, start the engine and ensure the belt runs straight, quiet, and centered.